How is everyone? Kamusta? You guys okay?
Yes!
You guys tired?
No!
How are you guys in the back? You guys are so quiet. Did you guys get your drinks, your food? It's so good here. Yeah?
Yes!
Okay. I think you guys are just here to listen, am I right? You guys love music?
Yes!
Okay. I'm nervous. Thank you. Okay. Well, this first song. Hi everyone. For those who don't know, my name is Harrison Periado. Music is my first love, and it means a lot to be here tonight because I feel like I'm on this journey right now, trying to reconnect with that part of myself again. So anyways, this first song is a song that means a lot to me. For those who know, for those who don't, this is the theme song for my show that is still streaming right now on Vivo One, Chasing in the Wild. It's called Abutin ng Tadhana. Let's try. Okay. Sing with me if you want to. Thank you. So